got this up the hill.
Give it a gas. Start going.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh. That's wild.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
It ain't happening, bro. It's gonna come right off the bumper right now.
Oh gosh. They gotta move out of the truck.
Hey, just let the pros take over. They got it. That's it.
We gotta get that one out of there.
Take it out.
Yeah.
Hey, boss. He want to get out where you are, bro. Yeah.
End of flashback.
Oh my gosh. That's wild.
Yeah. That's, what even is this?
I don't know.
3,000 pounds.
What in the heck are they doing?
That's one way to get out.
There's not a single tire track that way.
I can still use it. What? Yeah, but I still use it. No, I still use it for my kayak. No, you're good, bro. You're good.
Oh. Oh gosh. I need to get this other strap off.
I should have went over that way. Honestly, when it came down, I should have did that. It's the same thing though. Yeah. Oh, you're better getting stuff here than over there. Yeah, I will. Like water? No, because the water you're good. Okay. Right over there, it's super soft too.
All right. All right, here we go. Hop in there, a little bit of gas. Keep it straight with me. Get it up on the concrete. You got it in reverse?
Yeah.
All right.
Hold on.
Wait, Johnny, wait.
It's not moving.
He hasn't started pulling yet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right. We're good. All right. Hey, you have a good one, all right? Yes, of course.
It ain't best to go on there, I'm guessing then, probably.
Hell no.
I need to reverse them for sure.
Yeah. Reverse out of here, and then, yeah, if you go down like 15 minutes to Daytona, you could drive down there, like future reference kind of thing. But yeah, I'd back out of here.
Appreciate it.
Yep, have a good one, man.
Thanks, guys.
Yep, have a good one.
Much later.
Hello? Okay, I think he butt dialed me. Anyways. So you can tell this is an incline of a ramp. And we got a 2-wheel drive Sequoia with a trailer attached. So this should be interesting, but oh my God. Your phone keeps butt dialing me. You're okay, no worries. I was just letting you know. Oh, he's got a hitch in the front. Oh, this is gonna be easy.
Yeah.
This will be a fun one. We get to pull him uphill, so we get to let her eat a little bit. Oh yeah, yeah, they're 15 and a half wide.
Up the hill?
What's that?
You got this up the hill? Yeah, we do.
Yeah, I think I'll
year
pull
is
both
this?
of us. 2002.
So 5 at minus 2.
Oh yeah.
Mine's got
Instagram or something.
Yep.
mine's got 380,000 miles.
Hell yeah, man. That's awesome. That is awesome. What was your name again?
James.
James John. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Acacia.
Acacia. That's an awesome name.
Yeah. This
All
is
right.
definitely YouTube.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So I guess you could what?
Yep. Not even actually. I have a hard shackle. I can run straight to that, and then I'll put a rope in it. And I honestly think we'll just try and rip it up the ramp. I'll just have you throw it and drive, give it a little bit of gas, and we'll try and get up. If not, I can pull you back and we can get a run at it.
Literally not.
I have faith. I have faith.
No, I'm not much help.
Oh, I know. I know.
To be replaced.
That's okay. We're gonna give it a shot. We'll have some fun with it. No. Leave it on. It's better on.
Get your camera out. Film.
Yep.
Got it. He said we can look it up on Santo. Yeah, on Santo.
Ah.
You make all your money on YouTube, right?
No, so
Cause it's like, why would you think that?
I'm not gonna charge you much anyways, just because this is pretty easy. But I don't take it from you till we get you up here. Yep. Alrighty. Yeah. And then all I needs this.
You don't want to max out your cable and try to get up there, or you're just trying to get footage?
No, well, I could winch it, but with you being two-wheel drive and not that stuck, I honestly think this is the simplest, easiest way to get you up there. I have a good amount of faith. I need you to just think about it like porridge. You don't want to be gunning it and sinking, but you want to give a little bit of gas so you're helping me. I think we got at least a 75% chance. If not, we can always back it up to low side. If we get some speed at it, we'll be just fine.
We don't really want to pull on that axle on the real trailer, then, do we?
Yeah, I don't want to pull on the trailer. This is way safer.
Yeah, you want to get this on video.
Yeah, once we get you moving, we're only going to get really one good pull because we don't want to back you up. So I'm going to get a little bit of a pull on it. I'm going to give you a little bit of a jump, and you just ease on it, and we're going to go for it.
Can I put it in second for the lowest?
First. Will you have first or low?
I got 2, 3, and drive, so the lowest.
You got what?
All I have is 2,
Oh,
3,
stop
and drive, so just go in the lowest.
Oh, okay. Yeah, should be good. He's hooking up another camera. I was getting it. I'm all locked in for a low. We'll go. If we get it moving, keep with me, and we'll come to the top. When we're on the concrete. If it bogs out, we'll stop and we'll reassess. All right.
Alrighty.
Alright, you ready, Dave?
Alright, start giving it gas. Start going. That was awesome.
Great power. Great power comes great responsibility. Spider-Man.
Yup.
See?
Best movie.
I told you we had it.
Brother Toyota, thank you so much. You're freaking amazing.
Of course, man. It's at about 180 right now. We did have a T100 last year, same motor, the 3.4, and it had like 380,000 miles.
Chain on this motor.
I'm gonna look it up real quick.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Timing belt, not a chain.
Oh, okay. You got a belt too.
Yep. So they didn't do the chains until the newer ones.
It's an 05.
Spring break starts picking up down here on the beaches.
Spring break.
We're close.
3 weeks?
Yeah, 2-3 weeks or so.
2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, it's like mid to the end of March.
Dude, you're a lifesaver.
We try.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
I totally respect
and
So the
I'm
beaches start getting crowded about 2 weeks.
like I'm old.
Yeah.
So, but
You're not old.
but
Officially
the money
tomorrow.
from online and
that's actually
mean,
like 2
Yeah,
weeks.
it works out because we're able to offer
Horses,
discounts and not have to charge as much as some traditional
And then you finally
companies
get
charge.
spring
So
breakers.
it all works out, and we have fun with it. So
We're trying to sell ice cream down on the beach.
oh yeah, there you
Do
go.
that.
that'll get some use
Oh,
with
yeah.
the old Toyota and all.
Right? Yeah,
That-
absolutely.
I was trying to get him started and have
There
a
you
little
go.
bumpy road to start. Yeah.
Wow.
But I at least trained him. He knows what to do now.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Thank you so much.
Of
Thank
course,
you guys
man.
so much.
Yes,
we
of
really
course.
appreciate
No
you,
problem.
man.
Hey,
Nice to meet y'all.
have a good one.
Yeah, no problem at all.
All right, guys, that actually turned out to be a pretty fun one. Quick and simple. We were able to rip them up the hill, and yeah, all good. We'll see you. Bye.
Subscribe to San Ho.
Here you go, baby.
Like to subscribe to San Ho. They're the best.